Want to add a card to your Chase digital wallet? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the Chase mobile app. Now you want to log into your account. For that, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Now tap on the log on option. Once you have been logged in, you want to tap on the credit cards option and select the card you want to add. Scroll down to account services and then tap digital wallets. You'll see a list of available wallets. Choose Apple Pay or your preferred wallet. Next, select the Chase credit card you want to add. If you've already set up other cards that also appear here, once selected, your card will now be available in your digital wallet. And that's it. Your Chase card is ready to use for mobile payments. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.